The Set Up and Succeed project, along with Mudiad Meithrin, I feel are just so important in the development of the Welsh language and in ensuring that we can reach 1 million Welsh speakers by 2050. We work across Wales and identify areas where Welsh medium childcare provision is needed. For example, if they're opening up a new Welsh medium school. In South East Wales, we've been really successful in the number of cylchoedd meithrin that we've been able to open under the SAS project. I'm here today in Cylch Meithrin y Gyrnos, which is due to open soon. The Cylch Meithrin over in Trefynwy has led the way, if you like, in showing us how important our work is.
We opened with a £20,000 grant from Welsh Government, the SAS grant, and without that, I mean, we wouldn't have been viable because our numbers were so low at first. We opened on the very first day just with 2 children, but as soon as we got a second child, we thought, right, we're opening. Our numbers are rising all the time, so it's been great. When they come here at 2, it's amazing what they can learn. They'll come to Amser Carped, Amser Cylch. There we sing songs, we do the register, you know, talking about the weather. Gradually, they start to respond to us through the medium of Welsh, and that's the start of their journey.
We've got a target of opening 16 new cylchoedd meithrin as part of the SAS project now by 2026. And I do strongly believe that it is a very achievable target.
We're talking about 2050, so these children, they're going to be 30 years old. In effect, they are the future of the Welsh language. They are the next generation of the Welsh language, and they are just so important to everything that is going to happen.